In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the issue that says disconnected, Steam authentication failed. Now, first thing that we want to try is we want to come to the left side, search for Task Manager, go to Details, press somewhere and press S and find your Steam. Then you want to end task and then reopen Steam. Check if that fixes the issue. If it doesn't, another thing we can try is right click on the game that we're having trouble with, Properties, Installed Files, and verify integrity of game files. Now if this also doesn't work, another thing we can try is simply restart our PC. Come down here, click here and restart. Now as a last resort, if none of those worked, what you can do is simply do a clean reinstall of the game. So come down here, Apps and Features, search for the game, uninstall, and then reinstall it. Now I hope any of these fixed your issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.